I'm Ryan Kewley and I'm from Leoni Wiring Systems. Really good, yeah. It's something I'm certainly interested in, improving my leadership and management, and how that can impact my role at Leoni, both for personal success but also the success of my colleagues and my team as well. So I really enjoy Rich's take on the learning, the more flexible approach, rather than allowing us to explore some topics that are more interesting and affect us more personally, going into more of a deeper dive on those than necessarily following a stricter structure. I think it's more beneficial for the group, it seems to be. So it's, yeah, really good. Thank you. Certainly from this break is assertiveness, for one. I think personally I do need to be more aware how I slip into, like, Rich called it a compliant child, especially when made to challenge, to just go along with things and learning when to say no and to leave people who are responsible with their responsibilities. Also, from this weekend we talked about, I had a conversation as part of one of the group exercises, which led to kind of a realisation for me of how important my role is as a project manager in the leadership of my project team, which I was probably personally downplaying a lot. So it's not just the course that's been beneficial, it's also the conversations that have come about because of that. So certainly the assertiveness training that I just touched on, from getting the best out of each individual team member, and making sure obviously they stick to the required plan, giving them flexibility when they need it, but then also knowing when to rein it in a little bit and to play between as like the X manager and the Y managers, to not be too lenient but also not be too strict as well, to get the best out of everybody in the team, and also to not downplay the importance of my role within the team and for the other people as well, and for the company as a whole. I'd say those are the biggest takeaways, and that's what I'm going to really try and implement when I get back to the office. So this is part of this course is the first time. I know I've got a lot of other colleagues who've been and have mentioned and talked about it, but I think the grounds, it's a really nice place to be, a really lovely place. The catering and all the staff are amazing, really are. It's a nice experience. That's what it is, it's experience. It's not like just a course, it's the whole thing which really helps create the environment for taking the most out of the time you are here. So yeah, really good overall.